channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be about my son Andre here. I'm going to be coloring his hair. He has some color already, but it's just the tips is grown out. And so he has all of this new growth that we're going to color today. So this is my first time doing it. He got it professionally done about, how long ago was that? About almost a year ago. It was wild. He got it done professionally, so I said I was gonna give it a try. So we're gonna see how this comes out. So if you wanna see how his hair comes out, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright, so the first thing I want to do is start off with some gloves because I'm dealing with color. You want to protect your hands. The products we're going to be using, you're going to need the Salon Care 40 Volume Developer. And today's bleach I'm going to be using is Clairol BW2. This is a bleach, so I will be bleaching his hair. And I'm going to just take 2 scoops of the bleach. This is what the bleach looks like. Literally, it's white powder and like baby powder. I'm going to take 2 scoops of the bleach. 2 level scoops. 1, 2. And I have this little coloring bowl here. So I took 2 scoops of the bleach. I'm going to take 2 equal parts of the developer and just mix that up. So I'm going to be just taking it and mixing it all together. So it's going to become a consistency like this. You guys can see it. But that's the consistency of it. Alright, so Andre recently washed his hair on, today is Friday, so he washed his hair, when he washed his hair? Thursday? Yesterday, so his hair is fairly clean and good. So this is his texture. Put your hair down. This is his texture here. He has really, really good coily hair, just like his mama. So we're going to just start off by sectioning it. I'm gonna get some clips out of here. Alright, so this is his hair. I'm going to just go ahead, section it off into 3 sections. So I'm going to start in the back of his hair, and as you guys can see, this is how long his hair is in the back. It's pretty long. So, and he just got a fresh cut, so he got a little design and all that. So what I'm going to do is start it. I'm not going to do it to the roots. I'm going to start it probably about midway, about a half an inch or half an inch from the roots, and then start to color it to the tips. So I'm going to just take this. So I'm going to bring the color down to about right here and leave his roots dark. Alright, so I'm just going to let this sit in his hair for about 20 minutes. I'm going to just wash it and make sure it doesn't turn too blonde too fast. In about 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm going to come in and lighten the tips. But I'm going to do the tips of his hair very last. So just apply a shower cap to his hair to trap the heat and just sit back and wait. Alright, so here's Andre's hair after 20 minutes. I did put him under a hooded dryer because it wasn't lifting as fast as I wanted it to. So put your hair down, Andre. So this is what his hair is looking like as it's turning. It's starting, as you can see, turning brown in the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and color the tips of his hair and do the tips so it can color as well. All right, so. Alright, so now that the bleach is all put on his hair, I'm going to go ahead and put him back under the dryer for about 15 to 20 more minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys what his hair looks like before we wash it out. Alright guys, so here is the finished, put your hand down baby. Here's the finished, what his hair looks like. It's a pretty, it's brown roots and then blonde tips. I love it. You like it?
Yes, ma'am.
I think it came out really good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video, and I will show some clips of his hair after it's all done. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but this is what it looks like here, and I'll show you some close-ups. But thank you guys for watching. I'll check you out in our next video. Bye.